Welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I show you how we can create your own branded wearables for decentraland. I show you today how you can put your own logo on a cap. Okay, now when we have opened Blender, we delete the cube and then we import the FBX file. And this is our reference character here from decentraland. The link you find in the video description. Then we duplicate the head section here. Now we get another head, and then we go to edit mode. We select the vertices here. Only on top, we need them to create our cap. Okay, then we select this part here and model the cap now. A cap is very easy to model. Just look at one of your caps, or you can find a blueprint online, the internet, or wherever. Okay, good. And then this part here we can delete the vertices here. Select all of these and rotate. Then with A, select everything and scale it up. Now you can see here this is very close to a cap. The shield here in front. With Control R, we make a new loop here. Go to face select mode and select the faces and extrude with E. Now we get the shield. Okay. Now we select the vertices here and shield we can model a little bit. It looks a little bit more realistic. Now this part here and move it up. Yeah. I think on top we can make some changes. When we select these vertices here and this one, and from the side we have to do something here. Select these two and on the other side, and now move it up. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Just a little bit here. Now. Yeah, great. Now the texture, and we go to the shading editor, and you can see this is the connected texture that we already got with our reference model. And here we change the reference texture, the color palette that you get with the model. Just click the link in the description. Then we go here to the texturing mode. And you can see these are the parts from our cap. We have to make some changes, but at first I show you here we can scale it up or down. In this case we have to scale it as small as we can to put it inside of a color, okay? And I think we will choose a black color from this cap with a red shield in front, okay? At first let's put them here, but I want to show you something, because we have to make some changes here. Back to edit mode, and then we select the part here around from the shield with the edge select modus. So every stroke around. Then Control E, mark seam. Select everything with A. And then we press U and unwrap. Now you can see here we have to do this again, but now we have separated the shield and the cap part, okay? And now we can drop here can scale the shield part down, drop it into the red color over, and here, the other part from the cap, we move it here in the black color. Now we got our final color here from the cap. What we need now is the logo. And we put the logo here on this part with the edge select mode. Control E, mark scene, select this part, and then we choose another new material there, only for this part here. And now we go here to the shading editor, choose our logo, and then we delete this node here. Now here we got our logo. This part here, we scale it up, rotate, scale it up a little bit, and then we move the vertices here inside of the box with the logo. Okay, and then have a look here. This vertex here, we have to move it up a little bit, like that. And now you can see, now that looks great. And now, select the cap and Alt-P, clear and keep transformation. And then select cap and armature with holding Shift, Control-P with automatic weights. And now here in the pose mode, you can see that our cap is connected with the armature. Good, and now I delete all the other body parts here. Select the cap, go to export, and we export it as this file here. And then we open the builder in decentraland, creating a new collection, my own brand collection, call it. Okay, and then new item. Here we move our exported asset inside now. Brand cap, mythic here, and for head, it's for boss. Now you go to preview, activate the eye, and now you can see here our cap looks great on our character. Okay, it looks a little bit smaller. You can scale it more up in Blender. Before export, you can see here that the head is looking outside of the cap, but just scale it a little bit bigger in Blender and then there's no problem, okay? And then you can do the same thing with a t-shirt. For example, you can use your website on a shirt and then you can walk around decentraland and you can promote your brand this way, okay? If you found this tutorial was helpful, then just give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye!
Oh, oh, oh.